Good afternoon and welcome from La-Ngu on the 4th of January 2025, and this is part of a national park in the south of Thailand, and it has this mountain range here that runs straight down the spine, separating east from west in the south. So we're down here today to do a little bit of river kayaking, and we've paid 400 baht a person, and I think it's going to take about an hour from where we set off. What an amazing place this is. It looks like it's solely focused on Thai tourism. I've not seen any other Westerners yet, and I think that's due to the fact that there's pretty much no public transportation infrastructure to get here. So you're either sort of getting to Trang or Songkhla and, you know, making your own way here, or you need a car to get here. It is a little bit of a shame because it's so beautiful down here, and there's so much to see which doesn't get seen by Western tourists. But we'll go collect his life jackets, get his wetsuit socks on, and we'll see what it's all about. But so far it's looking good, looking well structured. Looks like a group just coming back now, so we'll be heading out now. It's going to get choppy.
To the left, to the left.
So we're just at the halfway point now. We've sort of had a 10-minute break, but it's time to get back in the kayaks, and we'll get the other half done. About 25 minutes away, so it's been well worth it. We'll get about an hour's worth of entertainment for 400 baht a person, so it's been really good fun. So we just got to the end of the canoeing run on the river in La-Ngu. 400 baht a person. They sort of have staff sort of fixed at dangerous points on the river to make sure that you don't get stuck. And if you do get turned out with your kayak, they're there to get you back in. Really good experience, really great, an hour of fun. Would really recommend it. I was the only foreign tourist here. It's pretty much targeted completely on Thai tourists. I think just because of the logistic nature of getting to this area of Thailand, you know, it's not as simple as just getting a flight. There's no public transport, unfortunately, at all to La-Ngu. So it's everybody's really friendly. Hello. And it's a shame. It'd be nice if they could get a little bit of a foreign tourist industry going on down here. But there were some beautiful campsites down the riverbank. Lots of families sat having a beer. I could smell a bit of the old tropical tobacco in the air. So everybody were having a good time. And we're going to go for a bite to eat now. But yeah, what a cracking place. And if you do end up in this area of Thailand, there's loads of little tour operators that provide exactly the same stuff. So thanks for watching. If you got all the way to the end, any questions, any comments, just leave them below. I'll get back to you when I can. But thanks very much from a very happy person in La-Ngu. Bye bye.